Hi guys, this is Jana here. Welcome back. Today we're going to make something very special that is one of Brazilian most traditional dishes or a signature dish for the country, which is a moqueca. Moqueca is fish stew, but in this case it's going to be a fishless fish stew. But because we are not going to eat fish, we're going to use a similar in texture and in taste. Because we're going to transform it into a fishy taste, we're going to use this guy here. King oyster mushroom instead of fish, and a few spices, super simple, and let's go. But before, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so you get notified every time I make a video, and let's go. In Brazil, we use clay pot. It's very, very special, and it's a rustic. It doesn't have this shiny lacquer here, but I couldn't get my hands on it, and my mom, she didn't want to send me one of hers, so we are improvising here. But the important thing is that you use something a little bit more thick, okay? So to this pot, we're going to add olive oil, or any kind of oil. And when it's hot, we add onions and bell peppers. And now we stir it a little bit. And after about 5 minutes, we add the garlic, to which I crushed here. Stir for 1 minute. Now we add the sliced oyster mushrooms. Red pepper. It doesn't have an order, you know, you can add. It's going to form some beautiful layers. Now you add some onions here and there. Some tomatoes, also sliced. This is a very beautiful dish. Green peppers. And the yellow peppers. You don't stir it, okay? Now some more mushrooms, tomatoes, and onions, and so on. It doesn't have an order here. Now we add some vegetable bouillon. Don't worry, everything is going to mix together because we're going to add coconut milk. Black pepper, salt, the kelp, red chili, some cilantro, and now the coconut milk. Some lemon. We're going to add some more lemon at the end. And now we're going to add the dende oil, which is a red palm oil. But you don't need to worry because it's not the same palm oil that we're fighting over. It's a complete different thing. And we add very little because this is very, very strong, but it's very important for this recipe. It gives this very distinct, I can't explain what kind of flavor is that, but it's very delicious. And it's a little bit like cilantro. If you don't love it, you hate it, you know? It's a very controversial spice, but you can get that in Latin shops. Some African products, they also carry it, because I think that in the south of Africa, they have that a lot. And this is it. Now we're going to let it cook for about 10 minutes in a low heat, medium-low heat. And this is it. I'll show you how delicious it is. Oh, cover it. And my moqueca is ready. Hey, Pokey. Now we just finished. What, sweetheart? Can you hear that? Now we just finished with a little bit of cashews, raw or toasted, that's up to you. I know, you like cashews. Yeah, I know. Some red chili and some more cilantro. And we have just made the sexiest and the most amazing and beautiful stew ever. You are going to love it. We usually have that with rice, and it is as simple as it can be. And of course I'm gonna try it, but straight from the pot, because I'm making this for later. I'm gonna serving for my guests, so I can't kind of make a plate for myself. Oh, bummer. Bummer. That was good. I'm gonna tell you this. Immediately when you have that, well, me, because I have been having that, the vegetarian version in Brazil, as soon as I tried that, Brazil came to my mind. This is such a unique and beautiful dish. It's complex, but it's not made complex, you know. It's a simple plate, but full of complexities, you know, lots of aromas and different, I don't know, it hits you in a lot of different ways. I'm a little bit lost in words because it's been like years that I don't have that, and now I finally did. So make it. You're gonna love it. And this is it for today. Don't forget to check on my merch, and 10% of my profit is going to be donated to my animal shelter. I will link down there my animal shelter. And if you want to support this channel, check on my Patreon. And to my patrons, thank you. You are lovely people. And follow me on my social media. It's going to be also linked down below, as well as the full recipe and the printable on my website. And I see you next time. Have a great week. Bye bye.